Thanks for joining us. We're at Fortinet's UK head office today, and we're going to spend some time talking about the SD-WAN market. Thank you for hosting today.
You're
Lovely
welcome.
offices that you have here.
Nice day for it.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So as far as SD-WAN goes, and if we sort of take a few steps back, a few years back, and think about where it was born, and maybe the sort of key market being North America, arguably, where geographies are much larger, cost of bandwidth is maybe not comparable to with the UK. Why do you think it started to really catch up in the UK over the last year or so?
I think the thing that sticks out for me over the last 18 months is the realisation that certainly in this market it's less of a threat to MPLS than what it first appeared.
Yeah.
Right. And what I mean by that is it's not really a case of is it MPLS or SD-WAN? Which one do I need to choose?
Yeah.
I'm going to ditch my MPLS and go SD-WAN. Some people have got that mindset, and some use cases are right for that. But generally, we see the main use case being MPLS with an SD-WAN overlay.
Absolutely, you're quite right. There's a lot of marketing that goes into sort of filling the industry with buzz and with noise, and death of MPLS is something that's been sort of banded for ages. And in fact, Node4's proposition is built on MPLS technology. You know, we've been in the market for 15 years, been successful in the MPLS space. It's a skill set that we continue to hone, and what we've decided to do is deploy FortiGate technology on top of MPLS to have a best of both worlds, which is ultimately de-risking it for the customer, optimizing the sort of costs involved in the economics, but not lose any of the benefits that you would get from MPLS technology.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's definitely the predominant use case that we've seen.
And I think from Node4's perspective, it's the backbone of your organisation. It's that private, secure network that people know and love and understand. It's an addition to that. It's a forward-thinking, next generation wide area network that delivers flexibility, security, increased management capabilities, and all of those above.
And security should always be at the forefront of our minds. We talk about secure SD-WAN a lot. A lot of the productization that we've done for our service is listening to customers' requirements, listening to their roadmap plans, where they're innovating, having the ability to consume SaaS and cloud first services, as well as have traditional sort of on-premise infrastructure and services as well. In fact, we typically will take the approach of having an internet-facing circuit and an MPLS circuit at each site that are both active, so they can have the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
And they can, their traffic can route in an optimized way without losing the security that's ever so important.